Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be learning how to receive a refund from a vendor. We'll need to do this when a vendor returns a payment or a portion of a payment back to our company due to damaged or returned goods. You'll first need to create a vendor credit memo. If you don't already know how to do this, check out our video titled How to Create a Vendor Credit Memo before continuing on with this tutorial. Okay, from your dashboard or any other screen in ZarMoney, hover over the Purchases navigation and then select Credit Memos from the drop-down. Find the open credit memo for the vendor related to the refund and click to open. From the Actions menu in the upper right-hand corner, select Receive Refund. You want to enter the data related to the refund from the pop-up, then click Save and Close. Next, a screen will pop up to confirm that your refund was recorded. That's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.